Hello guys and welcome to The Entrant. We don't just make you learn, we make you learn better. Let us start our video. In this video, we shall learn few concepts in organizing, formal and informal organization. This is an easy concept. First, I shall make the concept clear and then let's learn the meanings. This is formal organization. Here, some project is being explained to the head and the employees of the organization. In the same organization, a worker will have friends or relatives to hang out with and stuffs like that. And that is informal organization. And organization is a mixture of both formal and informal organization. Now, let's learn the meaning of formal organization. Formal organization is formed by management to complete a particular task. The benefits of it are relationships are clearly defined, avoids duplication of effort, unity of command is maintained, effective accomplishment of goals, stability to the organization. The limitations of it are it increases the time taken for decision making. It is so rigid. It can't be made so flexible. Thus, it doesn't provide a complete picture of how an organization works. Now, let's know the meaning, advantage and disadvantage of informal organization. Informal organization is a network of social relationships among employees like friends or relatives. Advantages: faster spread of information, enhances job satisfaction of employees, fulfillment of objective goals in the organization. Disadvantage: goes against the interest of the formal organization, may delay or restrict the growth of organization, pressurizes members to conform to group expectations. Any manager, even if they are specialized or not, they won't be able to take up all the activities in an organization so effectively. So some of them will be transferred to subordinates. This is delegation. There are three elements of delegation. They are authority, responsibility and accountability. Authority means right to command. Responsibility means obligation to perform a particular task. Accountability just means answerability. All these are interrelated and must be done well. Delegation makes management more effective by better coordination and development of employees. It is helpful in motivating employees and facilitating their growth. It is the basis for management hierarchy. Decentralization. It refers to delegation of authority throughout the organization at all levels. Centralization is when the authority is kept only within the higher management, and decentralization is when such authority is transferred to lower management too. There should be balance between both centralization and decentralization in an organization for effective management and functioning. Importance of decentralization. When authority is delegated, subordinates can take steps on any issue in their part, and this will result in their development for future. Decisions can be made quickly and effectively. It is a relief to top management as they need not stress on each and every single issue in the organization. It is an opportunity given to subordinates for growth and better control in the organization. Hope you found this video understandable. Thank you.